Imagine a world where part of your vision simply vanishes, leaving a gaping hole in what you see. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, Dendro Zap here. Let's dive into a mind-blowing fact. You have a permanent blind spot in each of your eyes, a small area where you literally cannot see anything. Yet, most of the time, you're completely unaware of it. Your brain is a master illusionist, constantly working behind the scenes to invent what isn't there, seamlessly filling in these visual gaps. This blind spot isn't a flaw, it's a necessary design feature. It's located where the optic nerve connects to the retina and exits the eye, carrying all visual information to your brain. This specific region, called the optic disc, completely lacks photoreceptor cells, the specialized cells, rods and cones, that detect light. Therefore, any light falling directly onto this small area simply isn't registered. It's a true blank canvas, utterly devoid of visual data from the world around you. So, if there's no visual information there, how do we not perceive a black hole in our vision? This is where your brain's incredible power of perceptual completion comes into play. It doesn't just ignore the blind spot, it actively invents the missing information. Your brain analyzes the surrounding visual data, like colors, textures, and patterns, and then intelligently extrapolates what asterisk should asterisk be in that empty space. It's like a predictive text algorithm for your eyes, seamlessly guessing the continuation of your visual world. This sophisticated process happens almost instantaneously and entirely unconsciously. You never experience a sudden flicker or a blank patch. Your brain creates a smooth, continuous, and entirely plausible visual experience. It's not just stitching together information from the other eye, though that helps when both eyes are open. Even with one eye closed, your brain fills the void using learned patterns, memories, and the contextual clues from the surrounding visual field, creating a convincing visual lie. You can actually demonstrate your blind spot yourself. Close your left eye and focus your right eye on a small cross on a piece of paper. As you slowly move the paper closer or further away, a dot placed to the right of the cross will simply disappear at a certain distance. Your brain fills in that missing dot with the surrounding white paper, making it vanish. This simple experiment vividly illustrates how your brain actively constructs your reality, smoothing over imperfections in your sensory input. This phenomenon highlights a fundamental aspect of how our brains operate. They don't just passively receive information, they actively interpret, predict, and construct our perception of reality. Our visual experience is a sophisticated model, constantly updated and refined, often inventing details to create a coherent world. From the mundane filling of a blind spot to complex cognitive processes, your brain is always working to make sense of the world, even if it means bending the truth a little. Stay curious. Dendro Zap, out.